What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to find your first Druid Rune, the Fury of Stormrage. So when you hit level 2, you're going to head back to the quest giver and you're going to pick up the quest Verdant Note. Then you're going to head over to your Druid trainer, turn that quest in, and pick up Relics of the Tauren. Now this quest is going to send you into Brambleblade Ravine, but you're only level 2, and you're going to need your Moonfire in order to complete the quest. But you won't get Moonfire until level 4. So finish up the first couple quests and come back to the Druid trainer when you're level 4 to pick up Moonfire. Then you're going to head to Brambleblade Ravine. Once you're at the ravine, head through the cave and then head straight forward over the hill. Follow the pathway to the left, which will have you heading north. Same path you might take to get to Sharptusk's hut. But when you reach this fork in the road, instead of heading right and going east towards Sharptusk's hut, you're going to continue heading north. And pretty soon, you will see a hill with a small hut and a couple of beams of wood sticking out of it. The spot you want to go to on the map is above the A and the M of Brambleblade, right between where the two mountains come together in the artwork. Climb up on top of this hill and you will find a chest. Inside the chest is the Lunar Idol. Now this is where things can get tricky, so pay attention. But you will open your bag and right-click the Lunar Idol. This will equip the Lunar Idol into your relic slot. I also like to add the Lunar Idol to my toolbar so that I can see when it's ready. Now you're going to want to kill 6 creatures, but you want the creatures to die while Moonfire is active. You can't just hit the mob with a Moonfire once and then kill it. You have to let the mob die while the Moonfire is active. And the idol doesn't really tell you how many you've killed, so you're going to have to keep track yourself. That's 3. Again, making sure that the Moonfire is active at the time the mob dies. 4. 5, and 6. Now you can see that the Lunar Idol on my toolbar is ready to be used. Left click on the Lunar Idol to learn relic, and now you will see the Lunar Idol disappear. This is another spot which can be confusing. I spent about 5 minutes clicking on things and feeling silly until I was able to figure it out. But if you open your character sheet and click on the rune in the upper right hand corner, and you'll see a tab open up with equipped runes. But yours is not equipped yet, so you're not going to see it here. You're going to want to click on that tab where it says Equipped Runes and select Chest. Then you might need to click on the Chest submenu in order to open it up. Here is where you can find your Fury of Stormrage, which works kind of like an enchantment where you'll left click on the Fury of Stormrage and then left click on your chest piece in order to enchant it. Congratulations! Now you can spam Wrath as often as you want and it will cost you no mana. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments. This is my first video of this type, so let me know if you want to see more. Maybe I can cover all the other Druid relics as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. This is MANBEARCOW signing out, saying enjoy your seasons of discovery.